Goli has to be a brand which will be built on a powerful horse called Vada Pav. When you start a business, you don't have money for advertising. FMCG business, so much of money is required. But initially what we did, can we go to the next slide? This Goli used to be small, Vada Pav used to be big when we started a store. People used to flock to the store because it was Vada Pav. And 4-5 महीना खाने के बाद the Goli name became popular. By the time we put the 10th store, Goli became big and Vada Pav became small. So somewhere I said there are so many categories that is available in the country which are so powerful that initially you don't have to do the brand building and advertising expenditure. If you latch on to the category and you don't want your name to be much more powerful than the category name, keep your name so simple. So Goli is like name and Vada Pav is surname. So Goli, Vada Pav. That's how we started knowing. And we used to call it Vada Pav number 1. That Govinda movie, Coolie number 1, Hero number 1. It's coming from Mumbai. They said number 1, number 1. So all these rickshaw wala, everybody used to say, "Arey Goli number 1 kidhar gaya?" Initially they say Vada Pav number 1. They say Goli number 1 kidhar gaya? When we started the first store, initially Vada Pav, as you said, is a powerful category. It was waiting to be branded. First day when we opened the store, there was a riot outside our store. We put red and white tiles. वो साड़ी का दुकान में रहता है ना, बड़ा बल्ब, 1500 रुपए का बल्ब लगा दिया, lights attract people this in the evening, and the entire traffic got jammed. The police had to come to stop the traffic. So and कल्याण के नजदीक एक powerful Sindhi community है, उल्लासनगर. All entrepreneurs, powerful entrepreneurs. They saw the entire thing. They smelled there is something happening today, and we received some 500 applications in just 3 months' time. Because it was a franchisee, we were not ready for franchisee. Franchisee was there in our mind. We thought it will take us a year to study. Typical MBA kind of हम लोग करते हैं ना, study करेंगे, process, system, concerns, all those things which we got. But the entrepreneurship world was within 15 days, 20 days. We said let's get into franchising. We bought a small office there, rented office Upari, and then franchising चालू कर दिया. Ulhasnagar stores, they all started. So it's these red and white types. This is red means garam garam batata vada, white means clean stores. The Marathi topi is what do you call the ethnic Marathi man. That's what we said. It's green, spicy, cleanliness, and red. And the store started rolling out. It's again in Ambernath and all. Store started. Go further. The typical red and white tiles, stainless steel equipment, uniform boys, and we started that Goli wants to be the McDonald kind of story, not McDonald. McDonald is too big, very powerful, very inspirational. कोई ऐसा कर सकता है ये सोच के भी हमको, somebody will think if somebody has put 32,000 outlets all over the world and the entire world thinks about this thing called burger and McDonald, it's a powerful story. So we said हमको बनना है, तो लोग पूछते वड़ा पाव बर्गर बन सकता है क्या? वड़ा पाव बर्गर बन सकता है क्या? गोली मैकडोनल्ड जैसा हो सकता है क्या? Huge 40,000, 32,000 outlets, 50 crore का plant है. Budgeting, the biggest corporate in the world, one of those. Can you go to the next slide? We used to make it in this central kitchen, like this. So we had a 3,000 square feet central kitchen, clean ambience. It used to go in refrigerated vans like this to all the stores. So this was the process. Can we go behind? Kitchen. So a refrigerated van में all the stores, the material used to go. And this tray we used to call Goli tray. एक tray में 100 Goli रहता है. They used to go take it to the store, keep it in the fridge, fry it in the batter and give it. So this was exactly like a McDonald kind of concept, but it would have been 1960s McDonald and all. We started doing it. But there were some problems. The challenges was wastage. See, typically any entrepreneurial activity or FMCG activity, there is a product, there is a packaging, there is a perception. The triple P's which we typically call. हमारे MBA में पढ़ाया जाता है. But unfortunately, the food business, आज तक जिसने भी एथिक ने किया है, except for 1 or 2 people, they are focused on the packaging and the perception aspect. They have neglected the more important is the product itself. Food is 80% word of mouth, and the most important attribute to create a brand or a corporate or a entity which can be understood. You used to send 1,000 golis, say 5,000 golis to all the stores. 1,000 golis is to go down the gutter, wastage. What is to happen? Wastage, because product को shelf life नहीं. The product doesn't have a shelf life. So without shelf life, how does the economics work? आप कल पूरा इंडिया में 1 लाख गोली बना के बेचोगे और शाम तक अगर प्रोडक्ट मर जाता है